Hey, what's up, everybody? We're going to be making a to taste chicken salad from a grocery store chicken that I bought today, and from some chicken that I smoked yesterday. My kids ate it all, ate some of it, they tore it up. And they ate little beans and rice, a little vegetable, they tore it up. Anyway, I'm gonna take the rest of that and I'm gonna combine it with the rotisserie. We're gonna make a smoked rotisserie chicken salad. So here we go. Chopped up, cooled off and chopped up. Put it in a bowl along with red onions, celery. You can put as much as little stuff as you want. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And sweet pickle relish. I like my sweet pickle relish. Some Hellman's, a little bit of regular mayonnaise. You know what I'm saying? Offset with the sweet. So people like, using Miracle Whip. Well, that's cool. 2 sweets or whatever you want to do. Do you, like I said. Some granulated garlic. And a little pink Himalayan salt. You probably can't see it, or you probably can. And a little bit of black pepper. Mixed together and look what happened here. Oh, them colors. Oh, let's try it. Let's try it. I can't see this no through the camera. It's crazy. I can't get it on the. Oh man, let me try it. Excuse me. Crunch of that celery. The smoke of that chicken. The rotisserie flavor. Too good. Well, that's it right there. Plain and simple. Yeah, buddy. Good stuff. Something on a hot day. It's too hot to cook. There you go. They're going to come and tear this stuff up. All right, y'all. Until next time. Peace.